5 portable car vacuums you can get from Amazon. Number 1. Basius Car Vacuum Cleaner. Small handheld vacuum, cordless portable mini lightweight USB rechargeable hand vacuum for car, home. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Disbuster handheld vacuum for car, cordless, gray. Number 3. Portable car vacuum cleaner tire inflator. Tire pressure gauge inflator, car vacuum tire inflator, air compressor, pump 4-in-1. Number 4. Isn't 4-in-1 car vacuum cleaner, cordless, handheld vacuum, high-power car vacuum with LED light, rechargeable for home, pet hair, car cleaning. Number 5. Bissell Aeroslim lithium-ion cordless handheld vacuum.